Hello and welcome. Today, we're delving into a captivating aspect of human evolution, the reduction in brain size over the past 10,000 years. It's a fascinating topic that sheds light on the complexities of our evolutionary journey and challenges some of our preconceived notions about brain development. Understanding this phenomenon is crucial for gaining insights into the forces shaping human evolution and the unique trajectory of our species. So, let's embark on this exploration together and uncover the mysteries behind the shrinking human brain. The decrease in brain size over the past 10,000 years can be attributed to a variety of factors, including changes in diet, lifestyle, and environmental influences. Let's explore each of these factors in more detail. 1. Dietary changes. One significant factor contributing to the reduction in brain size is the shift in dietary patterns that accompanied the transition from hunting and gathering to agriculture-based societies. Early humans subsisted on a diverse diet, rich in wild plants, lean meats, and seafood, which provided essential nutrients for brain development. However, with the advent of agriculture, there was a greater reliance on cultivated grains and starchy foods, which may have led to a reduction in the intake of certain nutrients crucial for brain health. 2. Lifestyle changes. The shift from nomadic, hunter-gatherer lifestyles to settled agricultural communities also brought about changes in physical activity levels and social structures. In hunter-gatherer societies, individuals engaged in a variety of physical activities, such as hunting, gathering, and foraging, which likely promoted overall health and brain function. However, with the transition to agriculture, there was a decrease in physical activity and increased sedentary behavior, which may have had implications for brain health. 3. Environmental influences. Environmental factors, such as exposure to toxins and pollutants, may have also played a role in the decrease in brain size over time. With the advent of industrialization and urbanization, humans have been exposed to a variety of environmental pollutants, including heavy metals, pesticides, and air pollution, which can have detrimental effects on brain development and function. 4. Genetic factors. While changes in diet, lifestyle, and environmental influences have likely played significant roles in the reduction in brain size, genetic factors also contribute to variations in brain size among populations. Evolutionary pressures, such as natural selection and genetic drift, may have influenced the distribution of genes related to brain development and size in different populations over time. Studies and research findings have provided compelling evidence supporting the idea of shrinking brains over the past 10,000 years and the potential implications for cognitive abilities. Here are some key findings. 1. Archaeological evidence. Archaeological studies examining human skulls from different time periods have revealed a gradual decrease in average brain size over millennia. By comparing the cranial capacity of ancient human skulls with those of modern humans, researchers have documented a significant reduction in brain size over time. 2. Neuroimaging studies. Modern neuroimaging techniques, such as magnetic resonance imaging, MRI, and computed tomography (CT) scans, have enabled researchers to study brain structure and volume in living populations. Several studies have observed a decline in average brain volume among contemporary humans compared to earlier populations, providing further support for the concept of shrinking brains. 3. Anthropological research. Anthropological studies of modern hunter-gatherer populations who maintain traditional lifestyles similar to those of early humans have found that these groups typically exhibit larger brain volumes compared to sedentary agricultural or urban populations. This suggests that changes in diet, lifestyle, and environmental factors associated with modernization may contribute to reductions in brain size. 4. Cognitive implications. While the relationship between brain size and cognitive abilities is complex and not fully understood, research suggests that larger brain size is generally associated with higher cognitive abilities, such as intelligence, problem-solving skills, and memory. Therefore, the decrease in brain size observed over time may have implications for cognitive function in contemporary populations. 5. Brain evolutionary theory. Evolutionary theories propose that changes in brain size and structure over time reflect adaptations to environmental pressures and shifting selection pressures. The reduction in brain size observed in modern humans may represent a trade-off between cognitive abilities and other evolutionary priorities, such as energy efficiency or reproductive success. Overall, Studies and research findings provide compelling evidence for the concept of shrinking brains over the past 10,000 years and the potential implications for cognitive abilities. Further research is needed to fully understand the complex interplay between brain size, cognitive function, and evolutionary pressures in shaping the human brain. The potential consequences of shrinking brains, as observed over the past 10,000 years, can have significant implications for various cognitive functions, including problem-solving skills, memory, and overall intellectual capacity. Here are some potential consequences to consider. 1. Problem-solving skills. A larger brain size has been associated with higher levels of cognitive abilities, including problem-solving skills. Shrinking brains may therefore result in reduced capacity for complex problem-solving tasks, as individuals may have fewer neural resources available for processing and integrating information. This could potentially impact an individual's ability to adapt to new challenges and navigate complex environments. 2. Memory. The hippocampus, a region of the brain critical for memory formation and retrieval, is particularly sensitive to changes in brain size. A reduction in brain size may lead to alterations in hippocampal structure and function, potentially impairing memory formation and consolidation. This could manifest as difficulties in retaining and recalling information, affecting both short-term and long-term memory processes. 3. Overall intellectual capacity. While intelligence is a complex trait influenced by multiple factors, including genetics, environment, and life experiences, brain size has been correlated with measures of intellectual capacity in some studies. Therefore, shrinking brains may have implications for overall intellectual capacity, including aspects of cognitive functioning such as reasoning, comprehension, and abstract thinking. Individuals with smaller brains may face challenges in certain cognitive domains compared to those with larger brain volumes. 4. Adaptability and innovation. A larger brain size has been associated with increased cortical complexity and neural plasticity, which may facilitate adaptability and innovation in response to changing environments. Shrinking brains may therefore limit individuals' ability to innovate, problem-solve, and adapt to novel situations, potentially impacting their capacity for technological advancement and cultural development. 5. Neurological disorders. Changes in brain size and structure have been implicated in various neurological disorders, including neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease. While shrinking brains may not directly cause these disorders, they may exacerbate age-related cognitive decline and increase susceptibility to neurodegenerative processes. Overall, the consequences of shrinking brains are multifaceted and may have far-reaching implications for cognitive function, adaptability, and overall intellectual capacity. Further research is needed to fully understand the complex relationship between brain size, cognitive abilities, and evolutionary pressures in shaping the human brain. We've just scratched the surface of this intriguing topic. I encourage you to share your thoughts and insights on the shrinking human brain in the comments below. Your perspectives could spark valuable discussions and contribute to our collective understanding. If you're fascinated by science-related content like this, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We regularly explore fascinating topics in science, evolution, and human biology, and we'd love to have you join our community of curious minds. And before you go, why not check out our related video on human evolution, delve deeper into the mysteries of our past, and uncover the remarkable journey that has shaped us into the species we are today. Thank you for watching, and let's continue our exploration of the wonders of science together.